Hi everyone, my name is Nonhlanhla Mashaba. I'm currently doing clinical excellence for AWM in South Africa. I started working for Smith+Nephew in 2019 as a sales graduate intern. And what we used to do during our internship, or what I used to do the most, is mostly practical. So I would go out there in the field, co-travel with different individuals. I rotated throughout all the various departments. This was for me to gain more knowledge on what the company is about, what the company is doing, and that in future, when I want to go into a different department, then I'm able to do so with a basic understanding of what is happening in that certain department. My manager was very supportive. She did not see me as only an intern, but she saw me as somebody who's going to add value to the company. If you are looking for a company that's going to give you endless opportunities, a company that's going to help you grow and learn and gain more knowledge, then I think Smith+Nephew is an ideal company for you. Please don't hesitate to join Smith+Nephew. Thank you.